In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task manager in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system to capture tasks, see what's next, and stay on top of deadlines without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening your Notion workspace and creating a new table database. Add a new page and choose a table as a full page so it has its own dedicated space. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. This will be the central place where all your tasks live. Next, set up the key columns that make your table useful. The task name is the title column where you describe what needs to be done. Add a status column using Select or Status with options like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Create a priority column with values such as High, Medium, and Low to help you focus. Add a Due Date column using the Date property, and an Assignee column with the Person property so you know who's responsible. Keep your options consistent so sorting and filtering work smoothly. Now, start creating entries. Add tasks one by one and be specific with names that start with a verb, like draft proposal or review designs. To keep things organized by project or category, include that information either in the task name or by adding a simple tag or select property. The goal is that you can quickly group related work when you need to. Use your status options to track progress clearly. Move tasks from To Do to In Progress as you begin and mark them completed when they're done. This simple workflow gives you an instant snapshot of where everything stands. To manage your tasks more visually, add filters, sorting, or switch to a board view. Sort by due date ascending so the next deadlines rise to the top. Filter to show only tasks assigned to you, or hide. Completed items to focus on what's active. In board view, group by status to drag cards across stages, which is great for a quick stand-up or review. Stay on top of deadlines by adding reminders and using your priority labels consistently. In the due date property, set a reminder so Notion pings you ahead of time. Pair that with priority to decide what deserves attention first. Finally, review and update your task manager regularly. Do a quick daily pass to adjust statuses and due dates, and a deeper weekly check to reprioritize and add any missing tasks. With steady updates, your Notion task manager remains accurate, organized, and genuinely helpful.